Today I would like to present the next step for our assignment 2. This step is all about the concept design for our selected product, which is plugging tool. For those who still don't know what is plugging tool, now let me explain for you. Plugging tool is a kind of a stick that used to stir oil inside the fryer. This kind of fryer is only widely used inside the KFC kitchen. Okay, now let's continue to the next. Our product is plugging tool. This is our initial design concept. Okay, this is the group member for this project. Ashra Nurshadi is our group leader. Raja Nazrin Shah and myself is Nuzahira binti Muhammad Azif. Design concept generation is a procedure that begins with a set of customer needs and target specifications. Concept idea generation is important because it enables the designers to expand the range of ideas beyond the current range of thinking. Sketch is a quick and rough drawing and gives a brief account or a general outline. Student will provide several initial sketches to be screening and the result will show the best chosen. The finalized product from assignment 1 is called plugging tool. Our problem statement are the workers of KFC kitchen area are having difficulty when they stir the oil inside the fryer. They have to put extra force and a lot of effort to do it. They are having a severe pain around their arms to their shoulder. They are also not applying a natural posture during their activity. Our objectives are to modify the shape of the current stirring stick, to add ergonomic element in the current stirring stick, and to modify the method of stirring the oil. Okay, next is the personas. First is Alif Haikal and the second is Chukri Alimin. Okay, next is the concept generation. We use mind map as our concept generation. Now is our 10th initial design concept. This is the first design and the second design. As you can see, the blade is almost the same as the reference, but their handle are different. For the third design and the fourth design, also issue the different kind of type. The third design, the blade is a bit different from the reference, but the handle is kind of same. For the design fourth, the method of stir is definitely different, and also the type of blade. For design 5 and 6, we sketch their handle almost the same as the reference, but their method of stir is definitely different. We upgrade the method to make it more ergonomic. And the blade, we also change it. But for the design 5, we add 2 blades. But the design 6, we just sketch only 1. For design 7, the handle and the stir method is almost the same as the design 5 and 6, but we use the different kind of blade. We think this type of blade is a bit efficient. For design 8, we use the different method of stir, different method of handle, but we use the same type of blade as design 7. For design 9, we use the same stir method and handle, but we use the different type of blade. And for the last design is the design 10. We use the same method of stir, just like the design 8 and 9, and also the same method handle, but different type of blade. Okay, now is the screening of our 10 initial design. We come out with the top 3, which is the design 2, design 4 and design 7. These 3 designs got the highest rank. Now we proceed to our top 3 initial design concept. So this is our top 3 design concept. Design 1, Design 2 and Design 3. For Design 1, we use the same method as the reference, but for Design 2 we change it. We make it more ergonomic, and also the Design 3 we make it more ergonomic. But for the type of handle, for Design 1, their handle is almost the same as the reference, but for Design 2 and 3 is not the same. For the blade, Design 1 almost the same as reference, Design 2 is different, and Design 3 is the more efficient. Okay, now is the screening of the top 3 initial design. After calculate, we finally come out with solution, which is the Design 3 is the most efficient and selected to use as our finalized design. Okay, now it's time for our final design concept. Okay, this is our sketch for our final design concept. As you can see, the handle part, we make it more comfortable to grip. For the stem method, it is very easy to handling, and for the blade, it is easy to keep and have high efficiency to stir the oil. Okay, this is form and function analysis for our product. Our side handle is to support main handle placed on the opposite side to the turning handle. Our main handle is the main handle at the end of the part and is used to hold and position the tool and apply the constant speed. For the rod, we use stainless steel. It is to support upper part of the product. For the blade, we use this type of blade to mix the oil by using rotating mechanism. We connect it with stainless steel rod. The drive wheel is on the side of the upper part. When the drive wheel is rotated, it is connected to the turning handle and it spins the pinion gear. The turning handle is used to rotate the drive wheel, which turn the pinion and spin the stainless steel rod. For the frame of a handrail is simply a means of holding the pinion and drive wheel in the correct position to interlock, allowing the product to function. Lastly is the chuck. Chuck is to hold and lock the stainless steel rod from moving. Next is user interface. For the user interface, we use gear mechanism. Gear mechanism is easy for rotating the stainless steel rod. It rolling up or down the turning handle to rotate the stainless steel rod. Next, the second one is we use the locking mechanism by using the chuck to lock the stainless steel rod with the upper part of the product. It's easy the end user to lock the product. It's also using special key to lock. Okay, as for the conclusion, the design concept is a technique to evaluate concept before investing too much energy in detailed design work. Screening and scoring is about reducing many ideas into a smaller and more manageable set, such as we did before, from 10 initial design to 3 initial design, and lastly we come up with the final design concept that has been successfully finalized based on the objective. The ergonomic element is added into the new concept design, and the last step should be proceed, which is prototyping. The end. Thank you for listening. Okay, that's all for this assignment. Thank you for listening.